Why do I want to be a winner? What is my goal? The most important thing is for you to have a vision, to have a goal, because without that, you will be running in circles and you will not get anywhere. You have to know where you want to go and fight and give your best in everything you do. You need to know why you want to get there in the top. Why? This is going to motivate you to make your dreams come true without give up. I want to be a diva fitness, so now I compete as a pro. I need to give my best to win. If I lose because I don't give my best, I will be frustrated. If I lose knowing I've done my best, I will feel like a winner. Do not look for excuse, find a solution, and never seek approval for others. Just trust on your potential and be the winner of your dreams.